Hello YouTube, today we are going to show you how to download and install Python. For that, first go to Google search and type download Python. Now open the first link that says python.org/downloads. Now here you can see different versions that are available for download. It is better to download Python 3.7.6 as many modules are not supported in the latest version. So in order to download Python 3.7.6, select 3.7.6. Okay, so we have selected Python 3.7.6. Now let's download it. Okay, you scroll it to the bottom and you will see different files. To download we need to select Windows x86 64 executable installer. We need to select this file. Okay, now it is downloading. Okay, let's install it. And just open the file that you have downloaded and you will see the setup window here. Now click customize installation and make sure all of this is selected. Documentation, everything is selected. Now click next. Select install for all users. Select add Python to environment variables. Now click on install. Okay, setup was successful. So Python is now successfully installed. Okay, now we have successfully installed Python. Now let's check if it is working. To find Python, go to start menu and search for P. Scroll it down until you reach the page. Okay, you can see Python 3.7 here. Click. Okay, now IDE is open. We will be writing a basic program to make sure everything works. Okay, shell works. Now let's write a very basic hello world. As you can see, Python works. We have successfully installed Python. We will be giving the link in description so that you can directly come to this web page to download Python. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like our video.